is these are the types of studies that we need to better understand, which is why all of these elements of physical distancing and hand washing, hand hygiene and respiratory etiquette and following the leaders' stay-at-home orders if necessary, that's why all of that is really, really critical. Why you wear a mask in areas of community transmission and you can't do physical distancing. It's why all of this comprehensive approach is critical.
And then Serena Churn also asked a question, do you think there's new modes of transmission that will come out? So at the moment we know it's droplets, and those droplets either fly straight, you know, from my mouth to your eyeballs, or they fall on the surface and then somebody touches the surface and touches their own eyeballs or mouth or nose. Do you think there's other ways that it could emerge that COVID is spreading over time? Do you think we'll learn about some other modes of transmission?
We may do. I mean, certainly there's been speculation around fecal-oral or transmission through the gastrointestinal route. I don't see much evidence at this point for that. I've seen studies that show the presence of RNA of viral particles, but we haven't seen any clear demonstration of transmission by that route. And that would be a concern if that were to be the case. But clearly at this point, the overwhelming evidence points to a respiratory droplet spread, infection or spread through fomites and contamination of your respiratory mucosa or ocular mucosa. But we need to keep an open mind on that because we've seen other diseases which have multiple routes of transmission, and we just need to be careful to keep a very open mind on these issues.
The exception to that is the aerosol in areas in hospitals where they're performing these aerosol generating procedures where they can make smaller, more fine particles. That's where we make different recommendations for healthcare workers, and we recommend airborne precautions. So I just wanted to highlight that in health facilities.
Thanks for that. So now I'm going to list all the countries where our followers are from.